I have a feeling it's going to turn to chaos sooner rather than later.
I'm going to run my boat tomorrow and then share the cheek meat. That's good stuff right there.
One fish cheek meat.
Yeah. George y'all from? North Georgia. So above lunch.
I'm from like Alpharetta.
Like on the area. Yeah, they got a couple for the crew. Y'all know where Stadium is? Yeah.
I've seen some of his stuff. Yeah, he's filmed this before, yeah. We're up in Kenai doing some fishing stuff. We're doing a mission trip up there.
Okay, cool.
Guys fishing, so yeah.
That's pretty cool. So you've seen some of this stuff online?
Oh yeah, it's all fun, yeah.
It's ripping. How many fish you believe you've filleted in your lifetime?
That's a number I do not want to know.
How many weddings have holes in
Plead the fifth on that one. Now, we've both been up here for over, well, George has been up here longer than me, but I've been cleaning fish for over 10 years, so quite a few.
Yeah, I didn't do that. It was dark though, I didn't see it.
It's a lifesaver. Literally is a lifesaver.
Beautiful fillet, though, man. That thing's good.
Y'all back to training?
Perfect size.
Y'all back to still got up?
Nope, we're just a fillet company here. We work with a couple larger processors in town. If people want, they can take them and get them vacuum sealed there. I think these guys are just taking them up the road in bags.
We're down at Kenai. Place we got, they've got 3 vacuum sealers, so we just kind of do our own.
Nice.
Sometimes they're butchered, sometimes
You guys slaying some reds then?
yeah.
Nice.
I've done it a time or two. I got it down pretty good.
Just depends on how many beers you have before you start cutting.
I put my money on her there. Yeah. My money on her.
Oh yeah, she definitely got it. I don't do it every day.
Tell us about the cheek meat. Is that just something different? Or?
Yeah, it's just a little kind of morsel. A lot of people really like it. It's slightly different texture, almost like stringer, like a scallop, people say.
Yeah, okay.
It's super tender. There's no muscle up there.
Right.
So it's just like super soft. Ripper cheeks are my fish cheeks ever.
You guys gonna do any halibut fishing while you're here?
Not this
We
year.
already had a group that was down here.
I don't know. Did they go?
No, they went to.
Where did they go?
We had Kenai.
Nice. Somewhere in Milchick or
Yeah,
Deep Creek or.
yeah. And we fished last year with 8 hunts.
This is the normal cutting speed. It's not like, okay, let me see how fast I can cut.
Now we aim for quality.
Yeah, there you go.
Herring is the usual, yeah, the usual breakfast of the halibut.
Yeah.
But sometimes they use jigs or throw a little octopus. Halibut aren't too picky.
Yeah. They're opportunists, or whatever you call it. They get what they get.
Exactly.
Good to meet y'all.
Yeah,
Safe travels home.
yeah. Well, let's watch your channel.
Take me fishing, Gary.
Maybe fishing good. Okay. Thanks, sir.
Have a good one, guys.
Y'all too.
Thanks for stopping by.
Try to get him over there.
I'll be down there and a fish. Sweetie, are you clear in there? Tom is on the dock. Thank you. And the final butt. You guys have fun out there today with Jordan?
Yeah, well, we were here 2 days ago
Uh-huh.
with Josh, and I had that 100.
Oh, Josh set the bar too high for you.
Yeah.
Josh set the bar real high.
I don't know if you care or not, but I refilled the hoodies like this.
I do not.
Design.
I do not care at all. I think that's a great idea. Love that.
I want to see it more than like the just the kind of form.
I totally love that. Defer to your expertise. Thank you. Sounds like you guys are going home with a pile of fish then. Good deal.
We've got bunch that we've got here is left shrimp,
Uh-huh.
and we've got sockeye off the river.
Wow.
I like hanging out here. I gotta go bring a charger back to Liz because I had
Okay.
her laptop charger. I will be back later on.
Okay, good to see you. I know Carter would love to see you.
Alright,
little bit of practice. Yeah, what you needed for the day?
Lights rolling.
Oh, we're rolling. We got a boat on the dock and another in 45. They're coming home. Do you guys have your vehicle close by?
Coming.
All right.
I don't know how close it is.
Yeah, it might be. Fill it up a little bit. I think we'd be right. Run amok with one heavy or two, he said, and 45. Yeah, I texted him. Well, Siri did. Do you guys want your cheeks in a separate bag or? Okay.
If you love fishing, please subscribe.